Hi everybody, today I have a quick video on sharing your screen in BigBlueButton. What I want to show is how you can show submenus and drop-down lists and make sure that your students can see them as you're clicking around in different items like Excel or PowerPoint. To give you a quick example of what I mean and what the problem is from the student side, I'm going to go to BigBlueButton and I'm going to share my screen to Excel. So I'm going to hit Share, Window, Excel, and it will show me on the right that I'm sharing my screen, and on the left I can see my Excel spreadsheet. To give you a better idea of what the students are seeing, I'm going to open a second BigBlueButton screen. So now we can see the student's view. I'm going to go up to Editing, and I'm going to open the menu. Now, what I want you to notice is on the left, where I'm in Excel, I can see this menu, but on the right, the students aren't seeing it at all. So if I click down to maybe AutoSum to open another menu to show the other functions that are included in this menu, students don't see this. So they're not seeing it live in class, they're not seeing it in the recording. So here's our workaround. I'm going to say stop sharing, and I'm going to reshare my screen. Now this time when I hit share my screen, I'm going to say entire screen, and I only have one screen open, so it's going to do this one, and I'm going to say share. Now when I pull up Excel, and this will be a little harder to see because of what I'm doing with it, but I'll try to make it look good. When I go to editing, do you see the drop-down menu that pops up? So then when I hit the other menu, you can see over on the right, I can see the sum average count, just like I can see in Excel. So using this method will help to make sure that students see all the drop-down menus. You won't be showing double screens like I am right now, so it will show up really nice and crisp for the students. It will also capture this in the recording, so students will be able to see exactly what you're doing, all the steps that you are taking, and they won't miss any of the functions. So even though it looks really pretty to sometimes share just the application screen, you might find it's even better to share your whole screen. I hope this quick video makes working with BigBlueButton even easier.